U.S. Navy tests futuristic laser weapon designed to destroy drone swarms. In the age of drone warfare, laser weapons are no longer science fiction, they are rapidly becoming a key part of modern naval defense. The U.S. Navy has officially revived its powerful solid-state laser technology maturation system, better known as the SSL-TM, a 150-kilowatt directed energy weapon mounted aboard the USS Portland. Originally introduced in 2019, the advanced laser system gained global attention after successfully destroying a drone during a dramatic live-fire test in the Gulf of Aden in 2020. Despite the impressive demonstration, the program was quietly shelved in 2023, leaving many wondering whether the Navy had abandoned ship-based laser warfare altogether. Now, the weapon is back. During the large-scale Crimson Dragon military exercise in September 2025, the upgraded SSL-TM reportedly shot down 4 drones, proving that laser weapons may finally be ready for real-world combat operations. The revival highlights the Navy's growing urgency to counter the rising threat of drone swarms, especially as low-cost unmanned systems continue to reshape modern warfare. Defense analysts argue that the United States is far from falling behind in the global laser weapons race. Benjamin Jensen, director of the Futures Lab and senior fellow at the Center for Strategic and International Studies, believes American laser technology remains more advanced and reliable than many foreign systems. According to Jensen, China's much-publicized Silent Hunter laser weapon struggled in harsh environmental conditions after being exported to Saudi Arabia. Sand, heat, and dust reportedly reduced its ability to track and destroy fast-moving drones effectively. While China may produce laser systems at a faster pace, experts say U.S. companies such as Lockheed Martin and RTX continue to lead in overall quality, durability, and integration. Military experts also believe the Navy's renewed focus on lasers is directly connected to lessons learned from recent conflicts, especially the widespread use of drones in Ukraine and the Middle East. Stephen Wills, a naval analyst with the Center for Maritime Strategy, says laser systems could eventually become standard defensive equipment aboard future warships. Beyond destroying aerial drones, lasers may also help neutralize fast-moving attack boats and other asymmetric threats used by groups such as Iran's Revolutionary Guard Corps Navy. One of the biggest advantages of laser weapons is cost. Traditional missiles are extremely expensive to manufacture and launch, especially when multiple interceptors are needed to destroy a single incoming drone. Laser systems, however, cost only a fraction per shot because they rely primarily on electrical power rather than physical ammunition. This makes lasers particularly attractive in a future dominated by cheap drone attacks designed to overwhelm defenses. Experts say directed energy weapons could dramatically reduce operational costs while giving ships effectively unlimited ammunition, as long as sufficient power is available. Still, laser technology is far from perfect. Unlike Hollywood portrayals, real-world laser systems face serious limitations. Weather conditions such as fog, smoke, dust, humidity, and heat can weaken or scatter laser beams, reducing their effectiveness. Most current naval lasers also function primarily as close-range defensive weapons rather than long-range offensive systems. Analysts warn that future adversaries may even develop countermeasures specifically designed to disrupt laser weapons, including smokescreens and atmospheric obscurants capable of dissipating the beam's energy. Even so, momentum behind laser warfare continues to grow. From warships and armored vehicles to base defense systems, lasers are increasingly becoming a critical layer of military protection. While they may not replace missiles anytime soon, they are quickly evolving into one of the most promising defensive technologies on the modern battlefield.